If they would have had to shut down and repair offline, it would have taken them 2 weeks, equals to them loss of production of around 15 million US dollars. So my name is Snijders. I'm the regional director for IGS, based in Dubai, and I'm responsible for the Middle East and North African region. We were initially called by the client to do an assessment of the situation. They had a CCR unit where they were having severe hotspots. The hotspot areas were increasing, very high temperatures. It was on the roof of the CCR unit, and there were 3 hotspots in the beginning, and those hotspots were around an area where a structural beam was. The Oman refinery was very worried that the structural integrity of the beam would be jeopardized if no action was taken. They could wait until the next turnaround, and the next turnaround was like 8 or 9 months ahead, or they could utilize a technology like IGS, and they've chosen for our technology. So we mobilized to site initially for fixing or repairing those 3 hotspots, which we have done in a couple of days' time. The client had assessed that there are other hotspots on that same roof area that had developed. And in total, there were 39 hotspots, including the 3 hotspots that we already repaired. And in the final end, we ended up repairing all those 39 hotspots, and we stayed on site for a period of approximately 1 month to do all of these hotspots. We've executed the project at the highest quality and highest safety standards there are in the industry, and we prevented the shutdown of that particular unit. If they would have had to shut down and repair offline, it would have taken them 2 weeks, equals to them loss of production of around 15 million US dollars. And by providing our online repair solution, we were able to prevent the shutdown and therefore also prevent that loss of production. So client was tremendously happy with the work that we carried out.